Hey Bilaras, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a simple, all-natural way to brighten your skin, fight dullness, and get that glow up you've been craving? Well, you're in the right place. Let's start by adding 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, which is a natural cleanser and exfoliator that gently removes dead skin cells. Next, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is a powerhouse ingredient that reduces inflammation and evens out skin tone. Then, 1 teaspoon of yogurt. It hydrates and brightens your skin with lactic acid and probiotics. 1 teaspoon of milk. This moisturizes and softens your skin while helping with pigmentation. And finally, a few drops of fresh lemon juice for a natural source of vitamin C to brighten and fade dark spots. Mix everything until you have a smooth paste. And your mask is ready. Gently apply the mask to your clean, dry face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave it on until it's completely dry. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. If you haven't exfoliated this week, roll off the dried mask in gentle circular motions to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. If your skin is sensitive, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water instead to avoid irritation. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Remember, always patch test before trying new ingredients. After using the mask, follow up with your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen to lock in hydration and protect your skin. I'd love to hear your results. Let me know in the comments how this mask worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing, Bilaras. Bye.